Hello everyone. Now I will tell about my family. She is my daughter Luisa Fernanda. She is 50 years old and very beautiful. As you can see in this photo, she is taller than my niece Laura Dayana. She is white than my father Jose Perez. But she is shorter than my sister Francie Edith and thinner than her grandmother. She is my mother. She is Maria Campos. She is 67 years old and adorable. As you can see in this picture, she is the most beautiful of all. She is taller than my daughter Paula Valentina. She is fatter than my sister Francie Edith, but she is younger than my father. He is my brother Sergio Andrés Perez. He is 33 years old. He is an excellent son. As you can see in this picture, she is taller than my cousin Vanessa Reyes, younger than my sister Francie Edith, but less than my uncle Edgar Alberto, and more cheerful than my father. He is named Samuel. He is 3 years old. He is the baby of the family. As you can see in this picture, he is more spoiled than my daughter Paula Valentina, more serious than my cousin Maria Luisa, but is the smallest of all. This is my beautiful family that I love with all my heart. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.